Hello everyone, I wanted to show you guys my facial at home kit, which includes 10 different products, and you can purchase it from my website. Let's get started. Pre-cleanse. So I've gone here for the pre-cleanse balm. Squirt a bit in the hand, spread it all over the skin, massage in little motions, getting all the nooks and crannies, and this really dissolves all the grub and grime on the skin. Then we add a bit of water and do the same motions all over the skin to wash it all off. Next we're going for the cleanser. I'm going to go for intensive moisture cleanser because I'm a bit dry at the minute, but if you use the special cleansing gel you need to mix it with lots of water before you put it on your face, and you just smooth that all over, and then you're going to remove with damp sponges again. Next we've got the exfoliator, Daily Superfoliant. So for this one we're going to mix it with lots of water into a paste, and then it should turn into a nice grey paste. You rub it all over the skin, get all the dead skin cells off, get that active charcoal to work, then remove it with damp sponges. Now we've got the Multivitamin Power Recovery Mask. With this one we're just going to slather all over the skin. You want like quite a nice thin layer, but everywhere. So this mask is going to penetrate deep into the skin, so you want to leave it for a good 10 minutes once it's on. Do whatever you like in that time. On the little leaflet it's suggesting you meditate, which is obviously helping with your self-care, but you can get in a nice hot bath, anything you like. Once your 10 minutes is done, you remove it with a damp cloth and on to the next stage. By now your skin should be feeling really nice. So now we're moving on to the eye treatment. You just need about a pea-sized blob and smooth that around the eyes, and then we're going to go straight on with the serum. So overnight repair serum is for a drier skin, that's the one I've gone for, and the Bio-lumin C serum is for a bit more of a brighter look, but both help with aging. Then we're going on with the moisturiser. Again, just about a 5 pea-sized blob, that does face and neck. Smooth it all around. Then if it's night time, we're going on with the night treatment, which goes over the top of the moisturiser. A really nice rich treatment just to soak up overnight. Your skin absorbs much more overnight. Your skin is going to look fantastic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.